Hi, I'm Justin with Woodland Direct, and today we're going to review the Amantii Slim Panorama electric fireplace. This Slim Panorama comes in 5 distinct sizes to fit a variety of different spaces, including a 40, 50, 60, 72, and 88-inch model. Today we're going to be looking at the 60-inch model. With each Amantii Slim Panorama electric fireplace, you'll receive a black metal surround, clear acrylic media, a remote control, and an installation manual. If you choose to install your fireplace outside, you'll also need to purchase the optional pan cover. The Slim Panorama lets you create a clean-faced custom design by installing your choice of finishing material down to the glass opening. For an even simpler installation, you could attach the included black metal surround to the front of your fireplace to finish the look. The Slim Panorama features ambient LED canopy lighting in 13 vibrant shades to accent your burning display. It also offers a unique fire and ice presentation that shifts from bright red to soothing blue to match your mood. The Slim Panorama runs on 120 volts of electricity, and it could be easily hardwired into your home's electrical system. It also comes hardwire ready for a wall thermostat so that you can set the room temperature manually. The Slim Panorama is equipped with a 4800 BTU heater for energy-efficient warmth and can be operated with or without heat. The included handheld remote allows you to individually adjust the heat output, flame size, and flame color from anywhere in the room for ultimate control. The Slim Panorama's ventless design makes it an excellent choice for customers who want to add a fireplace in areas outside the living room, like a bedroom, bathroom, or even an office. It also doesn't require any gas lines, and it won't produce toxic fumes or emissions. Ready for indoor and outdoor use, the Slim Panorama is an incredibly safe solution for enclosed patios so that you can create a cozy retreat right outside your door. Here at Woodland Direct, we love that the Slim Panorama can be tailored to fit any style with custom finishing materials. We also love that you could adjust the flame color and heat output separately to create the perfect ambience. And there you have it, a complete rundown of your Amantii Slim Panorama electric fireplace. If you have any questions about this fireplace or any of our other fireplaces here at Woodland Direct, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.